Everybody, welcome back to this brand new video and happy holiday. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to call a function in Swift. So just follow along with me. We go to window, create another new playground. Next, let me just say call func. So you can put whatever name. So it's very simple and straightforward to call a function. So let me just write some function. Just write func. Let me just say my name. Do as usual. Hit enter. Let's go. Already start complaining without knowing what I'm about to do. That's how funny sometimes Xcode is. So let me just write print let me write another one again, print write John. So let's call this function. You see the function cannot execute itself because we have not yet called the function. So let us call this function right now. Let's say my name. Xcode have already started to suggest. Let's go here, put it to automatic. You see we have already called a function. You see this is Simon, this is John. What if I just comment this line? You see the function have no use, there is nothing again there. But if I comment this line, you see we now have Simon and John. So that is how you call a function, and I can still call this function like 2 or 3 times depending. Let me just say call a function again like this. You see we're gonna have Simon John, and we can still call it again. We're gonna have Simon John 3 times. Preparing to debug. My name, preparing to debug. Come on, let's go, come on. Running. Yeah, here we go. You see we have called, we have written call 3 times. My name 3 times. This is how you call a function. This is 1, 2, 3. You can see here Simon John, and again Simon John. So this is how you call a function in Swift. And if you want to add another parameter here again, like for example, let me just say print let me say print me. You see everything will just be added. Running, print me, see everything will just be added. You see the first one, Simon John me. So you see everything is, as you can see, let me just, you see these are everything, Simon John me. So we have called the function 3 times. You can see these are all our answer that we get from the function that we just called. So this is how you call a function in Swift. Thank you guys. Love and share this video with your family. subscribe if you have not yet subscribed for more information video about programming Swift and Kotlin Android. And until then, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to post it down below. Until then, see you.